Welcome to this presentation on integrating compliance tools in Ethereum applications. Today we'll explore various compliance tools available for Ethereum developers, their integration into development workflows, and their essential role in ensuring regulatory compliance. Understanding and integrating these tools is crucial for building a DApp. By mitigating risks associated with the financial regulations, user privacy, and data security, these tools play a vital role in achieving a trusted and sustainable blockchain ecosystem. So let's move ahead. So the compliance tools are software programs or services that help businesses meet regulatory requirements. In the blockchain world, these tools ensure that the DApps adhere to financial data privacy and security regulations. The types of compliance tools cover a wide range, including KYC, AML, which we saw in the earlier video, and the security auditing tools. Integrating these tools into smart contracts and DApps is essential to ensure that these applications operate within legal boundaries. So we have all I have already told about you the KYC, which is Know Your Customer. It is a tool designed to verify the user identity. Some popular KYC tools include Rulio, Identify Mine, and Jumio, which use various methods to authenticate users, such as identity documentation verification and facial recognition and address verification. So now we will look at an example of the code snippet to apply the KYC tool. So this example demonstrates how to integrate a KYC tool into your smart contract. The process involves connecting your DApp to the KYC API, triggering the verification process, and securing and securely storing the verification status. The code includes a function verify user that simulates the verification process by setting the user status as verified, which we saw in the other video also. And also this function is verified, which we saw in the previous video. It checks whether a user has been verified, ensuring that only verified user can interact with a certain part of the DApp. I've already told you about AML, which is anti-money laundering, and these tools analyze transaction data to identify suspicious pattern and other financial crimes. So the popular AML solutions include Chainalysis, Elliptic, and Confirm, which use sophisticated algorithm and ML to analyze transaction data, providing comprehensive report and insights. Integrating AML tools into a DF makes it safe and compliant. So now we will look at a code snippet for AML in which we will use an API. So this is the code snippet for the AML law, which is anti-money laundering tool. So in this example, we can see how an AML tool can be integrated into a smart contract. The process involves verifying transaction through an AML API. The verify transaction function simulates this verification by setting the user as compliant, while the is compliant function checks the user's compliance status. This approach helps developers identify and mitigate potential financial risks, ensuring the transaction within the DApp adhere to regulatory standards. Data protection tools are critical for safeguarding user information and ensuring compliance with privacy regulations. These tools help developers implement robust data security measures, manage data access controls, and monitor data usage within their application. Popular data protection tools include TrustArc, OneTrust, and SecureFrame, offering functionality like data privacy assessment, compliance audits, and breach detection. So now let's look at the code snippet we can use for the data protection tool. So here's a basic example of how to integrate a data protection tool into your smart contract. The store data function handles the encryption and storage of user data, while the get data function retrieves the encrypted data by encrypting user data before storage and ensuring that only authorized parties can access it. This approach helps ensure compliance with data protection regulations. Security auditing tools play a crucial role in ensuring the robustness and reliability of smart contracts. These tools analyze smart contracts for vulnerabilities and potential security flaws. Popular security auditing tools include OpenZeppelin, QuantStamp, and Certicate. These tools use technologies like static analysis, dynamic analysis, and formal verification, identifying risks that could compromise the security of a DM. So now we will look at the example code snippet to how to integrate a security auditing tool. We will be uh, continuously auditing in the DM. So this code snippet demonstrates how to integrate security features using OpenZeppelin, Ownable, and Possible libraries. By importing these libraries, you can add ownership management and the ability to pause the contact if vulnerabilities are discovered. We saw this in the last video also. So we are using this in OpenZeppelin libraries here also. This helps enhance the contract security and ensuring that only authorized individual can modify the contract state or execute specific actions. Implementing robust compliance checks is essential for building trust and ensuring the long-term success of your DM. These checks include verifying your user identities, monitoring transactions for suspicious activity, and protecting user data. By integrating these checks strategically into a smart contract workflow, you can achieve a high level of compliance, ensuring a secure and ethical environment. Now we'll look at a code snippet which will tell us how can we integrate an automated compliance check in the code. So this example shows how to implement automated compliance check in a smart contract. The automated check function performs a simulated compliance check, making the user as compliant. The is compliant function then allows other parts of the contract to verify the user's compliance status. Integrating such automated checks can help streamline the compliance process and ensure real-time verification within your DM. So, ensuring ongoing compliance is essential for maintaining a secure and reputable Ethereum application, which we commonly know as the after sales service. Like the DApp should properly work all the time, for which we can even take feedbacks. The continuous integration tools and automated testing frameworks are valuable asset in this regard. These tools allow developers to integrate compliance checks into their development workflows, ensuring that every code change is rigorously tested for compliance. So now again we'll look at the example code in which GitHub Action workflow will see and how we are triggering the workflow. So let's see it. Let's see. So this is an example of a GitHub Action workflow for automating compliance check. The workflow runs on a code, pushes or pull request, executing steps like running static analysis tools or performing vulnerability scans. This continuous monitoring helps detect compliance issue early, allowing developers to take corrective action promptly. To efficiently integrate compliance tools, developers should follow best practices such as performing regular updates and reviews, maintaining comprehensive documentation, ensuring transparency. Regular updates help keep compliance tools effective against new vulnerabilities and evolving regulations, while clear documentation builds user trust and demonstrates a commitment to compliance. Integrating compliance tools into Ethereum application can present unique challenges, such as maintaining data privacy while meeting compliance requirements or balancing security with user experience. Overcoming these challenges require a strategic approach, including choosing the right tools, implementing secure practices, and staying informed about the regulatory updates. The landscape of compliance tools for blockchain application is rapidly evolving. New technologies like AI and ML are increasingly being used to enhance the compliance processes. In the future, we can expect more sophisticated tools to leverage blockchain technology itself, such as decentralized compliance platforms and tokenized compliance systems, which will provide more transparent and verifiable compliance. Let's look at a case study of a DApp that successfully integrated KYC and AML tools. By conducting a comprehensive risk assessment and thoroughly understanding the relevant regulations, this DApp ensured a secure and compliant platform. The case study highlights the importance of early integration, choosing the right tools, and ongoing monitoring to ensure continuous compliance. Choosing the right compliance tool for a DApp is crucial. Factors to consider include ease of integration, automation compatibilities, the compliance coverage, reporting functionalities, and pricing models. It's important to evaluate your specific needs and consult with a compliance expert to choose the most suitable option for your DM. In summary, we have explored various compliance tools for Ethereum application, discussed integration strategies, best practices, and future trends. By proactive integrating these So by proactively integrating these tools and ensuring ongoing compliance, developers can build secure, compliant, and trusted apps. Thank you for your attention.